Welcome back to Claptrap, and today we are in Guangzhou. China is one of the biggest provinces, and in this video, I'm going to feature a very important manufacturing unit, display unit, or it's an exhibition center. Why it has become important? Not only they make amazing furniture units, and also because they have an amazing salesperson. She will explain. The moment I walked in Lenovo's store, I realized it was very categorically divided into two, from modern to mid-century. We are always focusing on the kind of furniture units and delivering themes. So today we're going to talk about mid-century units and modern furniture units, how they are different from each other. Yep. Yeah.
But you're from Kuala Lumpur.
Yep.
Where about?
Where is the factory in Malaysia?
We are near Subang Airport, 15 minutes away.
15 minutes from
Subang Airport.
Subang Airport.
Yeah.
Okay, that's in KL.
Yes, it is
All
in
right.
KL, right at the nearby the center.
All right. So how do you define mid-century? Because see, the entire the stall is divided into two parts: mid-century and modern contemporary.
Yeah, so mid-century is a collection, mainly for the interior that actually prefer mid-century designs, and it goes well.
What
with
makes
it.
a design mid-century design is not modern?
Usually a little low back, more 70s, 60s design.
Okay.
So a lot of shapes, square shape, and even now the curve shape is in trend, so we incorporate into it. Modern Chesterfield, so it's a mixture of vintage and modern at the same time.
Just tell me about this. Mid-century, I understand it's, as you said, very straight, clear line, very fine lines, straight lines.
Straight line, boxy line, industrial, even industrial interior design can pair with mid-century.
Okay.
So it's like a mixture. Even contemporary sometimes they can place a mid-century and mainly low back.
Mid-century and low back. Oh,
mostly.
okay.
Mostly are low back.
All right.
Yeah,
And
for the
when,
design.
if we talk about fabric, mid-century designs are particularly made out of leather.
I would
Not
say,
necessarily?
I would say originally it's mainly leather, but some design these days do have fabric as well.
Okay.
But leather always looks better because of the vintage finishing.
The finish.
Yep,
Yep.
and the overall look.
Okay.
Helps with the design for the house and interior.
Yeah, I'm glad you understand all these details, these nuances.
Of course,
Most,
we have to
most,
understand.
yeah, I
we
know.
have
A
to
lot
understand
of
our product.
manufacturers, they just do it randomly, especially in other parts of the world. I mean,
Yeah.
especially even in China, if you look at, not many manufacturers are acquainted with the terms.
With
They
the
just manufacture it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we try to do it so that our customer, which is retailer, wholesaler, they know who to target and
Okay.
what kind of marketing they should do.
Right.
Yeah, those demographic they should target, which is a good way to help them too.
Yeah, okay.
The shortcut.
True.
Yeah.
Let's take a tour. So this is
Sure.
L corner.
This is a chase corner.
L
so
corner.
It's a two-piece.
This is made out two pieces.
Yeah, so two pieces, so it's easier to get in the door. You don't need to get stuck, and we have
Okay,
modular
two pieces.
design.
Okay, she's adding a lot of value in the video. She's saying that this is in two pieces, so it's easy to get into the door.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't have to. You have to knock down the doors.
Yes, and the lift as well. Some lift.
Okay, this goes
not
in the
too
lifts
big,
as well.
yeah.
Okay. Any which ways, L column can never be a single piece. It has to be in two
No,
pieces.
some L
There are?
in one piece. Some.
There are some of them. Okay.
But not from us.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I did same. I did
Okay.
some of them.
All right. This is made out of distress finish. I just kind of love this finish. This leather has got a finish, distress finish.
So we call this a waxy leather. It's a
Waxy
oil,
leather.
Oil and wax finishing.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's an aniline leather. So full top grain aniline leather.
Okay.
And this kind of pattern is to
This is
imitate
called
the,
as waxy leather.
yeah, waxy leather, full aniline, and it's to imitate the patina that leather leaves.
Patina
sometimes.
look.
Yes.
Okay. Patina is a finish basically.
Patina, it's the kind of marks that leaves as you use longer for leather
Right.
products, any leather products.
Okay,
Yeah.
done. And what is this finish called as?
This is natural milled leather.
Natural mule leather.
Milled, IMILLED, milled.
Milled leather.
So all the patterns are hand embossed.
Okay.
So they are hand pattern.
Okay.
That's why you can see like no one pieces is equal to each other.
All right.
Yeah, they are individual, special in their own way.
Mm-hmm. And this one?
Some people appreciate. This is actually our functional fabric.
Okay.
We have a pet-friendly function, which is scratch-proof. People who have cats and dogs, sometimes their couch get destroyed because of the nails.
Okay,
nails.
because of the pets.
Yeah, and at
and
the
also
same
it does
time-
not catch the fur of the pets.
This one, I think it will catch us. It's just the scratches. It's
Okay,
scratch-proof.
just because of that
Yeah,
scratch.
And waterproof and stain-proof. And this is a sofa bed.
Okay,
this is a
sofa
one-stop
cum bed.
sofa bed. Yeah, I can show you.
Oh,
So this is a sofa bed. You wouldn't know by look. Because
Oh.
It's a one-stop with the mechanism. It's Italian style.
okay.
And
Is it comfortable, this bedding?
it's sturdy and
Okay.
it doesn't have any sound or shaky.
All
It's
right.
not at all.
Very sturdy.
At the same time, it's latex mattress.
Okay.
So latex is from Malaysia.
Yeah, latex is Malaysia is producing a lot of latex material
Exactly.
because
So-
we have got largest rubber farming suppliers in the
one
world.
of- in the world. Top,
Yeah.
top suppliers in the world.
Right.
Indonesia is also one of the top.
Right.
Yeah.
Very
so
true.
You can take a seat and try on the mattress.
Sure. Meantime,
You see
we'll.
how sturdy is it?
Oh, it's strong. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. This
And-
again is mid-century in the all is avocado green.
Yeah. This is emerald green.
Hmm.
So this leather is another type of leather. It's semi-aniline leather.
Emmy?
Semi-aniline.
Semi-any?
Semi-aniline.
Okay.
So the top grade is nubak.
Uh-huh.
Then it comes aniline and semi-aniline.
Okay.
So we only do the semi-aniline and aniline.
We call mostly people pronounce it as nubuck. It's
Nubuck.
nubuck, right?
Nubuck leather. So nubuck leather is similar to this one, a little bit suede texture. So this is similar to leather kind of fabric.
Okay.
We call it, yeah.
Ooh. You're the master of fabric. Okay. This again is the one. Let me show around. Okay. Let's go back. This again mid-century.
These are maxi leather. This is natural milk.
This is more like tuxedo mid-century.
This one, it's a little bit like
The design, yeah, it's more
more like 50s, 60s.
50s,
Where
60s.
you can see like really slim and tall leg.
Mm-hmm.
You will see a lot in that
Okay.
era. A little like futuristic.
What have you done basically? Have you studied furniture anthropology?
No, I'm just a marketing student.
Okay.
But I have to study my
Okay, all right, okay. This is with a little bit of Chesterton on this. Chesterfield work is
Yeah,
done.
it's
Yeah?
a modern Chesterfield.
Modern Chesterfield
So
done.
we don't have the thick arm and the curvy arm and the button.
Okay.
But we make it a modern, slim, straight line. So
Okay.
it makes a little bit of modern, contemporary, and industrialized.
All right.
Yep.
And this one, this section? Okay. This again is mid-century. And this one, this section?
This section is more modern.
Okay.
So mainly most of the sofa here are with function, electrical function.
Okay.
So it has electrical headrest and also electrical recliners.
All right.
Yep.
Okay. And how do you define the modern sofas? What are the
Modern-
features when it comes to the design part?
Modern, mainly the first thing you would see is the leather. It's usually one tone and it's embossed.
One tone.
Yeah, and embossed with the leather.
Like for example, this one.
texture. You can see the leather texture. So all these are embossed leather.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is a sofa bed.
And you don't get to see very straight line. There's some curves as well.
Yeah, there is some curves as well. You don't see just straight line because of the design and also the aesthetic.
All right. Okay. Thank you very much. And I think that's all. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
We got to learn a lot of things.
Thank you.
Thank you.
for your time.
Thank you.
Yes. I hope we can start our business very soon.
Oh yes. Pleasure meeting you.
Yes, pleasure meeting you too.
I'll take a tour.
All right, I'll talk to you later.
So these are some of the modern designs. Okay.